This is Bharti from Igniters for Tomorrow. When you prepare for examinations and when you talk to your family and friends, you think about giving that 100% of your ability in your examinations. Family pressure, peer pressure, competition, board examinations, each and everything. So stressful, right? Maybe you should take a break for a while and see things from a different perspective. So today I have two students of MBBS, one from Himalayan Institute of Medical Sciences and other from Government Medical College. And today they are going to talk about their experiences in Igniters for Tomorrow and in their colleges as well.
One thing that we must remember that doctor is a very noble profession, so we should not mix many of money matters and many other things with this field because it's very noble profession, and what we study, what both theoretically and practically, both come to our uses in our later life. So it's a very beautiful journey, and we should make it simple and not that much serious.
Like doctor obviously is a noble profession, but right now as a student we have to enjoy also and study, because study is obviously practical. So it's like if you see and you know better, so it's like when you are studying, concentrate, focus on that, and when you are not studying, just enjoy other things too. Actually, I was not at all satisfied with my result.
Why?
Because I thought that I could have done really better, but because of the nervousness and all of those things, I could not do that good. So, firstly, I wasn't satisfied.
During those years, we'll having our exams. We have prof MBBS. We have each year we have prof exams and pre-prof. We have regular PCTs, monthly exams, and all we have to do is score much better. It's not like school that we are scoring in 90 percentage. It's good enough if we score in 70s. So it's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, the schedule, like it's not like we have to study all the time. First of all, we can do other things also, but yeah, when exams are there, then we have to focus on studies only. And yeah, exams are there and schedule, but it's like not very different from earlier. It's kind of same.
I wake up at around 7. We have classes from 8 o'clock till 1. We have a break of 1 hour, 1 to 2. And then from 2 to 4, we again have classes. So it's quite tiring, but because we are in the profession of medical, so it's like we have to be used to of longer sittings, longer studying purposes. So it's tiring, but we can't do anything. We have to.
Okay. And what do you do after 4 o'clock?
Then I rest for some time. We go to library, then study there. We have canteen in our college, so we get some refreshment.
And what time do you sleep at?
Sleep is very necessary, so one should not compromise with its sleep, because for a good career and for a better life, you need a full sleep. So it's like I sleep around 12.
Chitrangi, what's your schedule?
My schedule is also like that. Wake up at 6:30, then get ready for class 8 o'clock, and then classes and labs are there, and then yeah, 1 hour break from 1 to 2, and then dissection time, and then after that we after 4 a bit study, and obviously walk is necessary, so I always go for evening walk, and then sleeping time is 12 o'clock, sometimes late, sometimes early, but yeah, obviously I also don't compromise with my sleep. मैंने एक्चुअली ज़्यादा कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ नहीं किया इन सब चीज़ों से। मैं टीवी देखा है ऑब्वियसली, क्योंकि मैं टीवी बहुत ज़्यादा देखती हूँ, तो हाँ थोड़ा सा कम किया, बट ऐसा नहीं कि मैंने ये चीज़ छोड़ दी वो छोड़ दी, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। जब पढ़ा तो फुल फोकस से, और फिर बाकी चीज़ें भी सब इंजॉयमेंट भी किया
आपका
है।
जो स्केड्यूल था पढ़ाई का वो पूरा नॉर्मल था,
हाँ,
एज ए नॉर्मल चाइल्ड,
yeah,
टीवी भी देखना, ये
हाँ,
भी करना,
ऐसा
वो
नहीं
भी
कि
करना।
फ़ोन नहीं करना, ये नहीं करना, सब कुछ किया, इंजॉय भी किया, पढ़ाई भी की।
अच्छा, हाँ वैसे मैंने आपके जूनियर्स बाकी सबसे बहुत सुना है कि चित्रांगी वाज द वन जो कभी जिसने कभी कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं किया इन सब चीज़ों से। आस्था?
Like my thing was little different. So I used to watch TV, but I had some particular hours. Yeah, of course, I switched off WhatsApp and Facebook for some time because I thought that this. No, I think that was my mistake. I shouldn't make something that much serious because getting selected is just a part of life. It is not your life, so I shouldn't make things that much serious. I would have maybe I would have scored better if I would have been in my normal relaxed mood. Like I'm in first year, so it's like I'm still searching. I haven't stopped yet. I'm searching many fields. We have because we have so many fields and like dermatologist. Then we have cardio. So I have major interest in cardio right now.
Okay.
So it's like I think I'll go in there.
So you're gonna play with people's heart.
अभी इतना ज़्यादा मैंने सोचा नहीं इस बारे में because first of all my aim was not clear. I had decided that I'll become doctor. Now I am doing MBBS. Yeah, first of all I used to say that I won't become surgeon at all. I was very scared, but now I also like that field. So yeah, I'm still deciding, but yeah, surgery is also a good field. Personal things, yeah, schedule should be there. Obviously we should spend some hours for study, some for other. My schedule was like I woke up early in the morning to study, and because morning studies are best according to me, so I study in morning, and then we have to give some hours to different things like TV, and if you want to go for any sport or anything, but you should not study all the time. 18 hours, no, not at all. मैंने इतना कभी नहीं पढ़ा, अब मैं इतना पढ़ सकती हूँ थोड़ा बहुत ना, मतलब बस ये है कि जब आप पढ़ रहे हो आप फुल फोकस से पढ़ो, मेन चीज़ यही है, बाकी थोड़ा बहुत बाकी सब भी कर सकते
ओके. एंड इग्नाइटर्स के अलावा मतलब यहाँ पे जितना टाइम आपने स्टडी किया है उसके अलावा घर में जाके कितने टाइम स्टडी करना रिक्वायर्ड था आपको?
हैं एटलीस्ट 5 hours.
5 hours. Other than Igniters morning one.
हाँ.
ठीक है. Ask them.
We used to study around 6 hours in Igniters, so it was, and we used to study. The best thing in Igniters is that they focus in quality rather than quantity. So it's like teachers over here used to give us personal attention. So I used to study maximum 6 to 7 hours more at home. So it used to be fine both in the institute and at home.
So जितना time institute में उतना time
Yeah,
आप
same.
this.
First of all, stay focused, do one thing at a time, don't waste your time because these are the only years that will never come back. Be punctual, be disciplined, make your life very hear what your parents and your teachers say, work like what they want you to do, so it will be fine. You'll have a great future ahead if you work punctually.
Okay.
And enjoy also, don't miss these small enjoyable moments of life.
Like WhatsApp and Facebook.
Yeah, you do. You have some limits. You can do.
Chitrani.
Yeah, I would say that yeah, study here mostly like I did that. I concentrated here so that I would have to study less at home. Like more, I'll grasp more things here so that I don't have to study so much at home. I enjoy at home. So that's what I would say, that study here so that you don't have to study again and again, and so that's what. अगर यहाँ पे आप अच्छे से कर रहे हो, टीचर जो समझा रहा है अच्छे से समझ रहे हो, सो इट्स फाइन, बिकॉज जैसे समझाते हैं वो इतने अच्छे से समझाते हैं कि समझ सब आराम से आ जाता है. तो इट्स लाइक यहाँ पे पढ़ लो, उसके बाद घर पे एक बार देख लो. ऐसे नहीं कि तुम यहाँ पे घर जाके बिल्कुल नहीं कर रहे, वहाँ पे भी करो, बट थोड़ा सा ही, फिर बाकी एंजॉय करो.
Same, the teachers focus on you that much that you don't have to grab it again and again. In the time of 11th and 12th, if you study once and in a very particular way, then you don't have to spend that much long hours at home. As every student, I also face many problems. I have many burdens from my family. Like I have to get selected in a very good college, from friends So I previously took some coaching, but I found Igniters for Tomorrow a very good experience. My teachers motivated me so well that I actually didn't face, or I overcame all the problems that I used to feel during previous year.
हाँ, यहाँ पे आने से पहले बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स हुई. ऑब्वियसली बाकी कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट और ट्यूशन्स ज्वाइन किए थे, बट कहीं पे भी कंफर्टेबल फील नहीं किया. कभी कभी लग रहा था, मतलब एक फेथ होता है टीचर्स पे कि हाँ जो ये पढ़ा रहे हैं वो सही है, वो भी नहीं हो रहा था. बट इसीलिए बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स थी. लग रहा था कि जो पढ़ रही हो दैट्स नॉट इनफ, और भी करना है. सो बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स थी. फिर यहाँ पे आके एवरीथिंग वाज गुड. टीचर्स पे फेथ था, उन्हें भी हम पे पूरा सपोर्ट किया, तो इसीलिए सब कुछ ठीक था.
आपने कंपटीशन की तैयारी की, राइट?
I dropped it.
आपने ड्रॉप किया, आपने बोर्ड्स के अलावा कंपटीशन की तैयारी की, ठीक है. तो बोर्ड्स के साथ कंपटीशन मतलब कैसे आपने कोप अप कैसे किया दोनों के बीच? बिकॉज दोनों अलग अलग चीज़ें हैं, एक पूरा सब्जेक्टिव है तो एक पूरा ऑब्जेक्टिव है.
Yeah.
तो आपने कैसे किया?
प्रॉब्लम बहुत ज़्यादा थी इस चीज़ में, क्योंकि वन थिंग लाइक आई सेड दैट 12th में ज्वाइन किया था. सो 11th का होल कोर्स आई हैड टू डू इन 1 year, plus I had to study extra, not extra but a different in different patterns. So problems, I faced a lot of problems, but because of the support of teachers, especially sir, and so everything I managed to do because of the schedule they made, that this thing has to be studied at this time and all those things. So because of the proper schedule and pattern, I could do it.
Okay, and आस्था, जैसे आपने 12th के बाद एक पूरा ईयर ड्रॉप करने का इतना बड़ा डिसीजन लिया, तो क्या सोच के?
Because medical, being a doctor was my dream. मुझे dream किसी भी तरह पूरा करना था. So I just didn't give up. So my family supported me very well throughout the year. They motivated me. They didn't make me feel that I have dropped. I had a very good family. So it's like I enjoyed the way teachers taught me over here. They built a very strong concept here. The best thing about Igniters is that they focus on basic concepts, and then we have a very strong command over the subject.
Okay.
When after class 10th, I decided, because I really love bio, so I decided that, and I hated maths, so to avoid maths,
You took bio.
yeah, I took bio.
Okay. चित्रांगी?
मेरा बिल्कुल भी पहले प्लान नहीं था डॉक्टर बनने का. आई पर्सनली आई नेवर लाइक बायो, आई यूज्ड टू हेट बायो, एंड बट I don't know why I took bio in 11th, 12th. Then so yeah, I did. But now I'm really liking what I'm doing. First of all, I was not sure. My aim was not clear. But then because I took bio, then I had to do MBBS. But now I'm liking it. It's good.
तो हाउ वर दी टीचर्स, और जो यहाँ की स्टडी मेथोडोलॉजी थी वो क्या थी? मतलब जैसे हफ्ते में कितने दिन क्लासेस और कितने घंटे की क्लासेस, ये सब चीज़ें क्या था यहाँ पे एग्जैक्टली?
The best thing here was that the teachers are very flexible. They used to make schedule according to us, the way it suited me. So it was like we used to study around 5 to 6 hours a day over here, and they used to it was like 4 days a week, and we used to get offs in between, and we used to study on Sundays because the Sunday is mostly free time. So we used to utilize Sunday very well, and we used to get practice papers for home, and sir used to give me all the question banks, different reference books other than the packages of Igniters. We used to get different books like H.C. Verma, etc.
Okay.
So they were really
ओके, तो आपकी जो क्लासेस थी दैट वर गोइंग टू हैपन ऑन ऑल्टरनेट डेज.
yeah.
ठीक है, लाइक मंडे है तो ट्यूसडे ऑफ है, वेडनेसडे किया क्लास तो फिर थर्सडे ऑफ है. तो यू थिंक दिस मेथोडोलॉजी इज सफिशिएंट फॉर द प्रिपरेशन, या फिर यू वांटेड कि 7 days a week क्लास होती तो?
No, I think this is very good because we get time for self-study also. We should first. I used to study here, then I used to get a break, and I used to study what I was taught over here.
Okay. And Chitrani?
मेरे लिए थोड़ा डिफरेंट था, cause I have to go to school also and prepare for board exams also, and then study for this. So it was a bit different, but It was sufficient and it was manageable. After school, thoda break, and then I came here, then study, and then went, and then took a little break, and then study again. So it was manageable.
तो आपकी भी alternate days पे classes
ये alternate days class होती थी, and obviously sir ने बहुत अच्छे से schedule बनाया था. He gave me break also when I needed, even if when I had to go for holiday. He gave me a total break and then continued afterwards. So it's good.
ओके लाइक यू मेंशनड कि यहाँ से आपको स्टडी पैकेज मिला था, मटेरियल मिला था, ठीक है. तो अदर देन रेफरेंस बुक्स, तो हाउ डिड यू थिंक दैट स्टडी मटेरियल डिड रियली हेल्प यू और नॉट, चित्रांगी?
Yeah, it helped a lot. Packages and sir gave questions from different books. Like we can't study from every book, we can't refer to every book, but he managed in such a way that we have to get the important ones from each and every book. So that was the best thing.
So selected few questions from every book. He used to give us questions for home, and we used to discuss all the questions. We used to study together. So what I didn't knew, she used to tell me, and we used to discuss. And it was a very good discussion over a common question or query. So it was very helpful. No. It was more than enough.
Yeah.
It was more than enough. I'm very fond of junk food, but as our Jafri ma'am used to tell me that badam khao, and because walnut, it is very good for your memory.
Yeah.
So I used to.
चित्रांगी?
No, such no supplement. Just a balanced diet. Don't compromise sleep. I would say.
Okay.
I didn't miss anything.
You were fond of TV.
Yeah,
and
I was
you
fond of
used
TV
everything.
and everything.
Okay, and as for you?
I missed my friend circle, enjoyments. I made a very long checklist that I have to. I'm very fond of eating, going around, so I partied a lot, and regular family visits with friends, etc.
चित्रांगी?
Yeah, obviously partied a lot with family, and yeah, my best friend and I, we had made a list that we both will do these things because we both were preparing, so we both had decided that we'll do all these things together. So yeah, that we did. I'm interested in designing, and also I would have chosen that field if I would not have cleared this.
Okay, Astha.
I like dancing a lot, so maybe a choreographer.
Okay.
Like if I'm talking about boards, I was very happy because the results came out very nice. But for NEET, earlier I wasn't satisfied because I could have done much better. But later on, it was good.
Okay, Astha?
Earlier, I was also not satisfied with what I did in NEET, but results came was quite satisfactory, and I got what I deserved, so it's fine.